Programs in Mac are called applications. Today, I want to teach you how to open an application in macOS. Actually, there are 4 ways to do that. First, you can click on the launcher, the rocket icon on the dock, this one, to see the list of all applications installed on your Mac. You can browse them or search for a specific item. For example, I want to search for my Microsoft Word, and I can find it and open it by double clicking on it. You can also click on this magnifying glass icon here, which is called Spotlight. Just click on it and search for your application. So I can search for example, Android Studio or Android File Transfer, and I can click on it to open it. For another option, you can go to Finder, click on Finder, and on the sidebar, you can see applications. Click on it, and all your applications are listed here in this folder. You can even drag an application to the trash can to uninstall it. For example, I want to uninstall this one, so I can drag it onto the trash can to uninstall it. That is how you can uninstall an app from your macOS, as opposed to Windows, where there is an uninstall button. As a cool option, beginning from macOS Sierra, you can use Siri just like you do in your iPhone to start an app. For example, I can click on this icon, Siri. Hey Siri, open TextEdit. And you see that it opened my TextEdit application.